Are you really getting stuck with this type of problem, and surfing the YouTube videos does not necessarily help you to get out of this problem? So if you are in this phase and visualize it as your problem, that does not a real deal. Because in this video I am going to provide you a better solution of this problem. So we can go directly into a website from which you can buy the original key of Microsoft 365 and you can activate your PC. You can also verify them on Etsy. It has worldwide customers and with them it gives their 4.5 star rating. So this is a trustworthy website that you can say. So what's actually happened? If you download any crack version or any multiple activations key version, so that's why Microsoft detects as it's a fake or it's maybe a multiple usage and get restricted to your account. So that's why this type of problem happen. But there is a permanent solution in this video. So we will directly going into the website or mypckey.com and you will get the Microsoft authenticated key which is 90% lesser than the original website price. Just like this, if you are trying to purchase them from Microsoft official website, it gives around $150 and you can really save hundreds of dollars if you purchase from this website. Then obviously the question comes, how they will provide this type of key with such a less price? Because they purchase a huge volume of key and give you or the customers with the very lesser price, and this is permanent and will attach to your email and will get the lifetime validity of your Microsoft 365 account. So in this video I will guide you to the process that how it can be purchased from their website and how it can be activated to your PC for your lifetime. So hello everyone, namaskar dosto, myself Sudhujit and you are watching Sudhu Infantech. So let's get started. So part number 1, that how to purchase from their website. So just if you type mypckey.com in the Google, the page will redirect it to their official website, and in the right upper corner you can find that there is an option called Office Windows License Key. Under them you can find different options just like Microsoft 2016 Pro, Microsoft 2019 Pro, Microsoft 2021 Pro. And of course the price differs because it varies from 1 user to up to 5 users, and you are getting benefited if you purchase the 5 member plans. So coming to their official website, directly you can go to the shop now, and hence the option opens to buy Microsoft Office 365 Professional Plus genuine license for 5 devices, and you can go into the specifications, and obviously the apps included like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, OneNote, Publisher, etc. And the most interesting thing in this video is if you are looking for an extra offer or extra discount, you can just use code SIT15 for instant 15% discount. After that you please just buy now and fill out the billing details as your name, address, etc. And you don't have to worry about your payment method because they have multiple options just like PayPal, credit or debit cards, PhonePe or the CryptoMass, and you will get the key instantly. Except this, I have also videos from mypckey.com. Just like you can purchase permanent activation key for Windows 10 or 11 Pro, and you can purchase LinkedIn Premium as well as Coursera Premium, Turnitin Pro, Quillbot Premium. Just like this, you can purchase them with very cheaper price. So click the description and you will directly redirect it to the website. So part 2 is all about activation process. So just within 5 minutes you will receive an email from the MyPCKey website, and it has the ID and password which can be required for filling out the login details of Microsoft 365 account. Here also an YouTube video attached that how can it be activated. So please keep your login ID and password very confidential because it has the pre-activated version and it can be used by 5 members, and the installation process is same for all of you. And if you are facing any problem, you can directly chat with them either via WhatsApp or via Telegram. So just like this, I am going directly to the Microsoft 365 login page, and with the provided login ID and password, I can directly go into their website, and obviously you can update your password if you are feeling this is required. So after opening the page, there is an option for install and more. So click the option for install Microsoft 365 apps and install Office. This small file can be installed instantly, but you should have a stable internet connection because when you open this exe file, it's required net to download the full package of Microsoft 365. So just like this, they are saying this, please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office can be downloaded. And after this full installation, you are good to go. And to verify they are permanently activated or not, I am just opening the Word and you can see there is a pop-up comes out, and under the product information you can see the subscription product is Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise. And so if you open any blank document and choose any theme, you can show that there is no such pop-up coming up. So that indicates that it is permanently activated. And also you can open Excel, and under the blank worksheet you can see that there is also no pop-up. So yes, you are good to go with Microsoft 365 Enterprise version. So in this video I am very clear enough that hopefully you are getting the point that how you can activate the Microsoft 365 official key with your PC for lifetime. So not only this saves you but also saves your friends and family members. So please share this video with your friends and family members. So if you find this video is very interesting and helpful, please hit the like button as well as please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates and videos. So that's all for now. We will meet into another video soon, and for the time being, stay safe. Bye bye.